this is the Peter Lynch Portfolio. YCharts does a screen where they screen from small caps, has a companies with low PEG ratios, reasonable debt to equity ratios, and something of a dividend. Comes up with a list of 35 stocks that are they think it's kind of like a Peter Lynch like type investment. The list changes every once in a while, so this is just an update. Looking at a new name on here, PermRock Royalty Trust. The ticker symbol is PRT. This is not a recommendation, by the way. If you're thinking about investing in these, make sure you do your own due diligence. Just an overview of this company. If you know anything about this company, actually, and you want to share, feel free to do so in the comments. We'd love to hear from people about whether or not they know anything about these companies. This is a common theme in the list of stocks in Peter Lynch Portfolio recently. A lot of oil and gas producers, especially the royalty trusts. The yields are pretty good, and they're making money, and yeah, they're popping up into the lists like you wouldn't believe. So this is another one, PermRock Royalty Trust. Market cap 86 million. Common, also negative 5-year growth, but then suddenly pops almost 40% revenue, quarterly year-over-year growth. Same with EPS, return on equity is almost 15%. This is one of the more modest ones. Some of them are even more extreme than this. Dividend yield's only 8.52%. I mean, there are other companies out there like Petrobras for short, which is like the national oil company of Brazil, and it's yielding something like 60%, which is incredible. If you're looking for yield and you don't mind the political risk of investing in Brazil, that might be a place to go, because it's pretty tempting, 60% yield. But it's kind of just common with what's happening in the oil and gas industry. And anyways, this one's in Texas, maybe a little less political risk, but then you don't get quite the same kind of dividend. That's not bad though, 8.52%. Debt to equity is 0. PE 7. I mean, we can take a look at some of the key stats here. I mean, the most important thing here is not having long-term debt and a little bit of cash on hand, whatever. The dividend yield is kind of like the most important thing. Current dividend yield is almost 13%. Looks like the forward one's 8.5 though. So, yeah. PermRock Royalty Trust. Check it out. If you know anything about it, let us know in the comments. But yeah, if you're interested in kind of staying up to date with what's happening with this Peter Lynch portfolio, subscribe to the channel or go to my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. If you subscribe there, you'll get an email anytime there's a change to the list, because I update it on the website as well. So anyways, yeah, that's PermRock Royalty Trust. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.